Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Red Magic Astra, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find the apps. Then let's tap on see all 54 apps, of course 54 in my case, and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on Reset Up Preferences, and here your device is informing you what it will actually reset. So among others, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.